Okay, when you're ready, eh? Yes, you miss it. I think it was to the left. But you miss it like, not much, eh? You're very close.
I think it's this tripod.
Maybe,
The canting that. When I try hold to the
You
right
know what now? Maybe what you should do is just zero your windage.
to know.
Yeah, make it zero. Let's see. Because you're very, very close. It's like,
Yeah, and this is a very light breeze, eh?
yes, it's
Very,
I can
and it's
hardly
very
see.
variable as well.
You ready?
So now,
yeah.
and so you feel there's a slight little breeze from behind, so it's pushing that way. So if anything, depending on what it is up there, because the further forward you go, the more effect it has on the bullet. Okay, so this I wouldn't worry about doing at this point in time. Because normally when you start aiming off for wind, there's a bush hat. If it blows a bush hat off your head, it's a 10 mile an hour wind. Other than that, you stay straight and you just up and down for the bullet track. My personal.
I'll just check
I
to
was
fire.
Too much left and right for wind.
Just
Yes, that's bloody
yeah.
close.
Come up maybe
What?
0.2.
Now that we're hearing that track, that's the bullet track.
Your windage now is now perfect.
Okay.
Speed
Yeah.
of sound.
It's just a
Yeah,
good
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
I understand what
You, yes, you met me.
One more.
Okay.
I'm watching your car so the monkey doesn't climb in.
More better. Goed, my friend.
It seems like not.
Yo, again,
Try a squish.
just below.
Try one round.
Okay.
See.
Okay, come. Are you going to spot?
I'll spot for you.
Okay, cool.
And I can also see what is.
Jou sakkie lek.
It's it's abusive.
Okay, kom ons kyk of ek.
Oppas. Jullie glijden.
Ek gaan net een skootjie.
Normally when it's hot, it walks a little bit to the right.
Ja.
When the loop gets hot, it walks a little bit to the right.
Lekker warm.
I'm ready when you are. I see real rats.
Is it?
Yeah.
But the elevation?
Elevation was fine.
Yeah, you see. It's just the wind.
You think
I
it's
mean,
the
your
wind?
barrel is also now so hot.
It could be walking.
Yeah. But you'll be. If that was a blow wildebeest, dead.
I'm gonna open.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open. What's it?
So the
It
rifle
was
is
spread.
capable.
Yeah.
The
I
rifle
think
is
so.
capable.
Yeah,
Nothing
it's
wrong
just
with
me.
the rifle.
It's just me. I need to open more.
Yeah. So it was just to the right now.
Yeah, it was to the right of the toes.
Sandwiches
Aim,
comes out.
do me a favor. Aim just to the left of the plate. Just off. Just if you understand what I mean.
Okay.
Try that. Then I think that should solve the problem. I'm ready when you are.
Okay.
No, I wonder where he is now.
Oh, I don't know. We didn't see anything today.
Oh, I see him.
Anything today.
I see something on the mountain.
You see something on the mountain?
That ridge there. That big ridge there.
Really?
Something
Ja,
there.
en jy kan ons bullshit. Ons kan nie so ver.
Then it's like a. It's like a book. It's like a sable. This
Just
one. Get it.
almost there.
Hit it.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think let's give it a rest. This barrel is very cool. But it was like
Amper like